Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 5 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this one. Today I am still in recovery mode, honestly. I haven't done that much. I did finally get new, not even shoes, like slippers that are way more comfortable. It's like I'm walking on air. It's great. I mean, there's no stability, but I'm not running or anything that fast anyway, so it's okay. So I'm hopefully it's a little bit less painful, but I'm still like walking very funny. So we'll see. I don't know. It's just a preview of what it's like to be old. It's not very good. But anyway, I don't know. Today we have a easy problem. Maybe I'll do a bonus problem if you feel like because I feel like the last couple of days it's all been easy, right? Maybe. So if you're watching this video, yeah, and you feel like okay, this is silly. I want to do one more problem. Come on. On a Tuesday. Check out my next video that I'll probably post like I don't know within an hour after this one. Let's just do at least one problem that's a little bit challenging. Mine will be a little bit based on RNG. Anyway, let's focus on this one for now and let's go. We have 1790. Check with one string swap can make strings equal. Two strings. String swap is two indexes in a string, not necessarily different, and swap them at their indexes. So any two indexes, but doesn't have to be adjacent, right? Okay. I mean, so I think the quick thing about these things and the practice about this is just about complexity analysis. I mean, of course, like implementation and stuff like this, they become things, but at the end of the day, right? Yeah, there are a couple of ways you can think about it, but the most naive way to kind of even attack it is maybe you have, there are n characters in, I guess, both the strings because they're different and it's just very easy to be in know. But n characters, so there are n square indexes, just like on swapping, and then another O of n operation to check, right? So if you do it that way, it's n cubed, but n is only 100, so actually it probably would be fine if I'm wrong. That's Leetcode's fault, but 100 cube should be fine, right? Especially if you do, if you're a little bit slick about it. But I think I think a good practice on problems like these, especially, it's okay. Like it's okay to upsolve it as well, right? What I mean by that is that okay, let's say you did the n cube way. It's okay to come back and be like, okay, now I have more time. Can I do a little bit better? And maybe sometimes not every problem you can do better, right? And this is why I advocate for problem solving buddies, or just Discord in general, my Discord, if you will. But there are also a lot of Discords, right? It doesn't really matter. But where you can just just be like, hey, I solved this problem with n cube. Is there a faster way? Don't tell me the answer or something like that, just so that people don't help you too much. But yeah, and in this one, I think there is, if you think about just the ideas of what it means to be a swap, right? Well, I mean, I think the first condition is straightforward, right? In the sense that, okay, if F1, I didn't define, F1 is equal to collections.counter of S1, F2 is equal to collections.counter of S2, right? So now these, I call them F because they're frequencies. So if F1 is not equal to F2, then we return false, right? I mean, I think that's obvious in the sense that if they don't contain the same characters, you can't swap, there's no way to swap them so that they're correct. And then the other thing then, right, is what you can maybe think about it the other direction, right? Of okay, after zero swap, I guess you're forced to do one swap, but that one swap could have same indexes. So that may be a trick case actually. What happens, right? Well, in this case, one swap is a very straightforward example to think about, or like you don't have to think that deep into it because it's just it's very shallow, I guess, right? And I think for me, and maybe there are other ways to do it or think about it as well, but I think for me, it's just counting the number of differences, right? Because 2 is one of those things that like if you have two differences, if two characters are out of place, then that's the reaction of one thing, right? 2 or 0, I guess, in this particular case, but you cannot have 1, for example, right? So yeah, so okay, maybe we do. So then return count is equal to 0 or count is equal to 2. I think that may be good, but if I'm wrong, then I'm a little bit silly and sad. Let's give a quick submit. And there you go. Apparently I'm very slow because mine takes 1 millisecond. I don't know, whatever. That's actually kind of funny. I'm curious, but but yeah, there are many ways to do it, but definitely advocate, just playing around with it, practicing if you can, and yeah. That is all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. This is linear time, linear space due to this part. I wonder if I need this part, honestly. I mean, this is just an easy thing to write, but no, you do need this part because this is not super careful, right? But this isn't actually O of n. This is O of alpha, where alpha is the number of characters in the alphabet, right? So O of 26. But yeah, that is all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.